Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, to all viewers, I would like to announce this year, 2026, there will be more abbreviations or acronyms in all universities, colleges, or state universities all over the world. Meaning, it's not only in the Philippines. It can be US, United Kingdom, or Canada, or any continents across the globe. Okay? By the way, this one is more on university found in the Philippines. It has a relation in my reels about the INC or Iglesia Ni Cristo, because that university is operated by Iglesia Ni Cristo. It's a private university, meaning it's not under Philippine government. Okay. Now, the question is, what is this acronym or abbreviation of this university that I'm referring to? Okay, here's the answer. I'm referring to NEU. NEU stands for New Era University. Yes, you heard it right. NEU stands for New Era University. This is a paid promotion label. Before I say goodbye, don't forget to support, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next acronyms or abbreviations. It's either it falls on videos or reels. By the way, to give you a little feedback, since this is Philippines, these are very important locations in New Era University. The main campus is in Quezon City, the main. They have also San Fernando, Pampanga campus, Batangas, that's in Batangas province, General Santos City in Mindanao, and the other one is in a town in Baras Rizal. It's found in southern Tagalog region. So far, there is no Visayas region yet in New Era University. Who knows? They might buy a vacant lot to make a university building. That's it. Thank you so much for listening this video. Good afternoon.